What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house, and today we got a new patient, Jaguar XJ, front end collision, left corner. So we'll take a look in a minute at the damage, and I want to say a big thank you once again to you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love. You guys are just rock star. Thank you very much. So enough of this talk, and let's go take a closer look at the damage. So let's take a closer look at this jack. So yeah, front corner got damaged, so it looks like the front bumper is all damaged, light might be damaged, little crack right here, and then the fender is aluminum, so we're gonna replace bumper, fender, and maybe a headlight, so we'll see. So right now we're gonna take everything apart and go from there. Okay, so let's take a closer look. So I stripped the whole car down, all the damaged parts, the fender. So I had to remove the rocker molding in order to get the fender out. Bumper, headlight. So let's take a look at the bumper. The bumper is damaged right here, ripped. So is this bracket. And then also we got a damaged fender liner, ripped the corner. Fender bracket is cracked. damaged fender and damaged headlights. So the tabs broke off here, and then a tab over here. So we're gonna have to replace this light because there's only one tab that holds the light now. So yeah, so new fender, new light, fender liner, and a bumper. So we'll order everything right now and get this thing back on the road. Right now I gotta take the door apart, remove the mirror, door handle, and the molding so we could blend the door. So we'll do that real quick, and car is ready for paint. Everything apart, remove the mirror, the molding, the door handle. So now we could blend the door, paint the fender, and paint the front bumper. And also we're gonna blend the hood as well. So we're gonna move the car to the paint department right now, and Jose gonna start spraying it. And we're gonna paint this fender separate today, because there's lots of rubber molding, so we don't want any overspray. So we're just gonna paint the fender separate and blend the rest of the stuff, so you guys gonna see the whole process. So let's take the car to the paint department. Christmas came early, we got some Jag parts. So we got a new fender liner, new bumper, new fender, and a fender bracket. So right now we're gonna give this to Jose, have him do the gem on the fender, paint the fender inside, and we'll install it and then paint the rest of it on the car. Alright guys, that's a wrap for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2 we gotta start prepping the car for paint and start shooting it. So I'm gonna show you guys every step that you gotta go through to make this paint 100% perfect. So you guys don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.